Hello YouTube, Flying Caveman here. Today we're going to take our return flight from LAX to Dubai. 2 weeks ago we went from Dubai to LAX. On the previous trip we had a window seat in Premium Economy. This time we're going to be in the center section in Premium Economy. And it's just as nice. Today is another long flight, 15 hours and 16 minutes. But it's really very comfortable in Premium Economy. We'll be on an Airbus A380, tail number Alpha 6, Echo Uniform Echo, and this aircraft is about 8 years old. Our route of flight today is easterly and stays farther south in the westbound leg to take advantage of the strong tailwind from the jet stream. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride with me. My trip today began in Las Vegas. I took a flight on JSX into LAX. It's quite a unique experience. If you get a chance to check out JSX, do it. It's worth the money. Okay, I flew in on JSX. I'm now at the international terminal. Usually connect here and avoid all of this, but today flying on Emirates, so check-in's right down here. This is the economy check-in over here. You got business class and first class over here. You have premium economy right here, so I'm going to jump in this line. Okay, so checked in with Emirates down there. That's the TSA big line over there. But on TSA Pre Check, so a little bit shorter line over here. Glad I'm not down line. Alright, let's get going. Alright, TSA Pre Check was a breeze. We walked right through. I don't think it was me and one other person walked through. So. Generally, I take the bypass up here. Bypass all the security in the lounges. And 154 is up here on the left for Emirates. Alright, gate 154 is right over here behind the Starbucks. 154. Walk up and find the gate, then we'll find something to eat. Alright, last time I flew Emirates is right here at 150. We're going to go down 2 more gates to 154. Gates over here, 150, 152, 154, 156. Right, the ones that are set up for the Airbus 380s. This is the gate area, 154. About 3 hours early, so. I'm trying to hang out here fairly close. Video when this aircraft taxis in. Check out this beautiful Airbus A380. Going to be flying on this all the way to Dubai. It's a 16-hour flight. I'll be doing a premium economy review today. Probably got business class, so see how it goes. Alright, welcome aboard. Let's check out the seats. These are actually real leather. They're very comfortable. Got a nice footrest down here. I'm in the center section today. Take a good look at the seat controls down here on your left. The 2 larger buttons are for the recline and the footrest, and then you've got the volume control and the channel control for the entertainment right there. There's 4 seats here. There was me on the left side. There was a gentleman all the way on the right side. The 2 center seats were empty for the whole flight, so again, kind of someplace to throw our stuff. On the previous flight, I was over here in the window section up front. I did not have a seatmate there either, so that was very comfortable. Right here is actually a little workstation for the flight attendants. The entertainment for the center 2 seats is mounted on the bulkhead here. These are bassinet rows 2s, so that's what that is. The entertainment for the 2 end seats is right here. It pops out at the seat just like a tray. This seat here and the one on the other end of the 4 are, in my opinion, the best on the premium economy. There's no one in front of you. It's got just tons of space to stretch out and relax. Also ample overhead storage. Since I was in the center section, I couldn't watch the takeoff out the window, so I had to watch it here on the entertainment center. But with all the cameras on Emirates, it makes it really easy to actually get a pretty good view even if you don't have a window seat. Just after takeoff, you can see we're flying up over California, climbing out. got about 15 hours left till we get to Dubai. They're getting ready to serve the lunch. You can see the pilot instruments here. I kind of like that. And also, this was kind of neat. They show you where the internet will and won't work, so kudos. Emirates uses a recycled paper product for their amenity kits, which is real environmentally friendly. Easy to look at. Let's take a look at what's inside. It's pretty good for premium economy. You got your eye shades here, a pair of socks, toothbrush, toothpaste, decent sized tray table here, big enough for my MacBook and perfect for the food. The crew was great, brought a pre-dinner drink out while they were getting the food ready. This was an evening flight, so it starts with dinner. It had the salad, of course, the prawn biryani, and the eggless toffee apple pecan crisp. Also had a delicious piece of bread and some cheese and crackers to go with it. After dinner, pulled out the entertainment center. It was actually football playoff weekend, so watched a little live football on television here until I got tired, and then it was time to recline the seat back and get some sleep. The seats in premium economy do have a good amount of recline. They don't go out lie flat, but I find this angle is just about perfect, at least for me, to catch some great sleep. About 10 hours into the flight, they're getting ready to serve the brunch. The lights come on. In case you're wondering, the bathrooms are all the way at the front. There's 3. The one in the center seems to be the biggest one in my opinion. But the brunch is starting to smell good, so let's move on. The premium economy cabin wasn't full, so they had plenty of food. So I had the seasonal fruit, the smoked salmon, had the cheese omelet with everything that went with it, and then I had a nice croissant with butter also. Still had about 4 hours to go, so I pulled up the movie selections and turned on the movie, which puts me right to sleep. Towards the end of the flight, with about an hour and a half left to go, they do offer the light bites. They have a pretty tasty pizza, and the chicken tikka wrap is delicious also. I'd had enough food at this point, so I chose to skip it. This has been a long flight, and it's coming to an end, so let's wrap it up. The boarding process at LAX went very smooth. The crew was very nice. The seats were very comfortable. The cabin was always clean. The food was absolutely amazing. The entertainment system is moderately sized, pretty good for economy, so really can't complain. It was a smooth ride all the way, so all in all, great flight, really enjoyed it.